One hurricane season packed more than double the usual number of monster storms.
In 1993, the Pacific unleashed 9 major hurricanes, when the average is just 4.
A major hurricane means Category 3 or stronger, winds screaming at over 111 miles per hour.
So why did the Pacific go into overdrive? One culprit, a powerful El Nino.
That warm ocean pulse supercharged storm after storm across the basin.
4 is normal. 1993 brought 9. The Pacific simply doubled down.
Only about 50 people on Earth have ever been diagnosed with this.
It's called Beck-Farner syndrome, and it comes down to a single gene.
That gene, TET3, controls how your DNA gets chemically switched on and off.
When it breaks, it causes the first human disease of DNA demethylation ever discovered.
And doctors only figured it out around the year 2020.
So rare that most people who have it may still be walking around undiagnosed.
In 1 out of 3 clinical trials, scientists secretly move the goalposts.
It's called outcome switching, and it's exactly as sneaky as it sounds.
Before a trial, researchers promise to measure one specific result.
But if that result disappoints, some quietly report a different one that looks better.
One huge study found nearly a third of trials changed their main outcome after the fact.
So the next miracle headline you read, check whether they moved the finish line.
A Hollywood A-lister was in the jungle when scientists found a brand new giant snake.
In 2024, a film crew waded deep into Ecuador's Amazon to study anacondas.
They pulled up a monster over 20 feet long and 400 pounds.
But blood tests revealed something wild. This was a whole new species.
They named it the northern green anaconda, split from its cousins 10 million years ago.
And that famous face helping haul it in, actor Will Smith, on camera for the whole discovery.
Space telescopes are literally copying the eyes of lobsters.
A lobster's eye doesn't bend light like ours. It reflects it off thousands of tiny square mirrors.
That weird grid lets it catch light coming from almost any direction at once.
Engineers rebuilt that exact structure to catch X-rays from across the sky.
Now, a real telescope with lobster eyes is orbiting Earth, scanning huge patches of the universe.
So the next cosmic explosion we spot might be caught by an eye built like a crustacean's.
These bees broke into people's houses just to steal the bug spray off the walls.
In rural Brazil, homes were sprayed with DDT to fight malaria-carrying mosquitoes.
But instead of dying, colorful orchid bees showed up in droves to harvest the poison.
To these male bees, the DDT smelled just like the flower perfume they collect to attract mates.
Each one packed itself with a staggering dose of insecticide and buzzed off completely unharmed.
And the constant buzzing drove the families up the wall. 3 and 4 said the noise was maddening.